Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study some main topics of subject biology class first year. These video lectures are also useful for MBBS test. These lectures are in very simple words by which anyone can take help. If I miss anything in this video or you don't understand anything, so comment in the comment section. Let's move to our lecture. Let's explore some questions of biology with answers. What is virus? A virus is a small infectious agent that can infect living organisms, including humans, animals, plants, and even bacteria. It consists of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an outer envelope made of lipids. How were viruses discovered and when? Viruses were discovered in the late 19th century. The first virus, tobacco mosaic virus, was discovered by a Dutch scientist named Martinus Beijerinck in 1892. He found that a disease affecting tobacco plants could be transmitted through a liquid extract that passed through filters fine enough to remove bacteria. What is the structure of virus? Viruses have a simple structure consisting of genetic material, DNA or RNA, surrounded by protein called capsid. Some viruses also have outer envelope made of lipids. Genetic material contains instructions for virus to replicate, and protein coat protects the genetic material. What does it mean for viruses to be parasitic? Viruses are considered parasitic because they rely on host cells to replicate. They invade a host cell, hijack its cellular machinery, and use it to produce new viral particles. Viruses depend on host resources for their survival and reproduction, causing harm to the host in the process. What is the life cycle of bacteriophage? Bacteriophages or phages are viruses that infect bacteria. Their life cycle typically involves two main phases, the Lytic cycle and the Lysogenic cycle. In the Lytic cycle, phage attaches to the bacterial cell, injects its genetic material, takes over the host machinery, replicates, and ultimately causes the host cell to burst, releasing new phages. In the lysogenic cycle, phage genetic material integrates into the bacterial genome and can remain dormant for an extended period, replicating along with the host cell DNA. What is the life cycle of human immunodeficiency virus? The life cycle of HIV involves several stages: attachment, fission, reverse transcription, integration, replication, assembly, and budding. HIV attaches to specific receptors on the surface of immune cells, fuses with the cell membrane, and releases its genetic material into the cell. The viral RNA is converted into DNA through reverse transcription and is integrated into the host cell genome. This integrated viral DNA can remain dormant or initiate replication, leading to the production of new viral particles that bud from the host cell. Can you give examples of viral diseases? Examples of viral diseases include influenza, common cold, measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, herpes, hepatitis, human papillomavirus, Ebola, Zika virus, and COVID-19. These are just a few among many viral infections that can affect humans. What is the connection between prions and viroids? Viroids are small circular RNA molecules that can infect plants, causing diseases. They do not have protein coat like viruses. There is no known direct connection between Prions and Viroids. Viroids primarily affect plants and have no known natural ability to infect humans or animals, including those in prison settings. Can viroids cause diseases in humans? Viroids are known to cause diseases only in plants, not in humans or animals. They are unique pathogens that can interfere with the normal functioning of plant cells, leading to stunted growth, reduced crop yield, and other plant-specific symptoms. Are all viral diseases curable? Not all viral diseases have specific cures, while some viral infections can be treated with antiviral medications. Many viral diseases are self-limiting and the body's immune system clears the infection naturally over time. Vaccines are available for several viral diseases, offering preventive measures, and they have been effective in reducing the burden of diseases such as polio, measles, and hepatitis. Can viruses be beneficial to humans? While most viruses are associated with diseases, some viruses can be beneficial to humans. For example, bacteriophage can be used in phage therapy to treat bacterial infections. Viruses are also essential tools in genetic engineering and gene therapy research. Additionally, some viruses have contributed to the evolution of human genomes by inserting their genetic material into our DNA over millions of years. What are the symptoms of AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is a condition caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. HIV attacks and weakens the immune system, leaving the body susceptible to various infections and cancers. The symptoms of AIDS can vary depending on the stage of disease and the specific opportunistic infections or complications that may arise. Here are some common symptoms associated with AIDS. Early stage, acute HIV infection, fever, fatigue, muscle ache, swollen lymph nodes. What is the reverse transcription? How it performs by HIV in humans. Reverse transcription is a process used by retroviruses, including the human immunodeficiency virus, to convert their RNA genome into DNA. This process is crucial for the replication and integration of virus into the host cell genome. Entry: HIV enters the host cell by binding into specific receptors on the surface of immune cells, primarily CD4 plus T cells and macrophages. Uncoating: once inside the host cell, virus releases its genetic material, which is a single-stranded RNA genome along with various viral enzymes. What is Lytic cycle? The Lytic cycle is a specific phase in the life cycle of certain viruses during which they actively replicate within the host cell and ultimately cause the lysis, rupture of the host cell, releasing newly formed viral particles. What is lysogenic cycle? The lysogenic cycle is an alternative phase in the life cycle of certain viruses during which viral genome integrates into the host cell genome and remains dormant, inactive for an extended period. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, comment and share our channel, Dr. Raza Academy and Educational Consultancy.